What are you working on?
I'm transcribing my list of everything that needs to be done at the boatyard to a Word document.
Let's see the list.
It's getting bigger and bigger every day.
These are all the items that are currently not working or broken or just need maintenance.
Kind of sailboat we want to get when we're rich. This is how the other half lives. You're definitely one of the have-nots.
It's big enough for us to go under. No drawbridge. 65 feet. And our mast is 59. I think this is number 6, but I'm not 100%. I'm just having a good time looking out the window because of how cool the sights are. It's just so neat to see everything. Juno Beach. This is number 9. Number 10 for the day, but I could be wrong. I may have miscounted at some point. Ooh, it's so beautiful. That bridge, this lighthouse.
Last bridge. Last vestibule bridge.
How many have we done today?
Wow.
I kept track for a while, but I forgot. I think this is like number 11 maybe? Or 12?
Least.
Or maybe 13. I'll have to go back and look through on my videos. It's kind of been fun though, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
At first I was like a little worried about it, but now it's really been so much fun going through the intercoastal here. It's just absolutely gloriously opulent and decadent for sure. And it's a Tuesday, so it wasn't super busy with boats, so that was pretty nice. And
I think today is Wednesday.
you know what, you're right. It is Wednesday. Never mind. Somehow I lost a day. It's pretty easy to do. The Hobe Sound Bridge. Anchor's holding good. Another beautiful anchorage. I bought more in Fort Lauderdale.
All these boats around.
Tonight's our last night on the boat for this trip. Today we had a really nice day. We just stayed all day in this anchorage, which is right behind Jupiter Island. And the beach is right on the other side of those bushes and trees. And you can just hear the surf pounding on the beach. It's so nice. And we just decided to stay here for the whole day because the marina that we're taking Mahalo to tomorrow is only like 3 nautical miles away. So we decided to just stay here and just kind of relax instead of going in there and trying to find like a mooring ball close by. We thought that would be more stressful. So this has been a really nice day. We've just been cleaning and packing and kind of just hanging out and absorbing everything. And I've been working on my movies, and that's always so fun for me. But yeah, I can't believe it. Our first trip is kind of coming to a close, and it's like awesome because it went by so fast. And Joel and I got along great. We didn't have one fight, and we still like each other, so that's good. And I'm excited about coming back already and figuring out our Bahamas trip. So I just came out here to kind of relax a little bit, and I got my trusty Stanley cup here. I'm just having a Coke Zero though. It's not time yet for happy hour, so because once that happens, then my productivity level goes down pretty severely. So yeah, that was our day today. Tomorrow's Friday.
We're heading to Mack Marina to get a total overhaul on our standing rigging and a bunch of other stuff.
There's a long list. So all this needs to be replaced. We're gonna take the mast down. Port St. Lucie Inlet.
So is it the next turn?
Don't cut it too close. There's a boat right here. Plenty of space straight ahead here. Ah, he's in a red shirt. I see him.
We're going to the port side there, right?
You're gonna just go straight ahead.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Looking pretty good. Everything pretty much stayed put. I did go re-provision in Fort Lauderdale since we were in the marina. So I put some more snacks in there. So we'll be set for the Bahamas. Hopefully we don't get like a rat on board.